lovely chefs and chefettes. What is you eating, Daniel, son? Show our subscribers what you eating. And tell them, please tell them what you got on your plate.
Guys, I have some jerk salmon Rasta pasta, guys. Chefettes. Guys, we're jumping right into ingredients today. So let me tell you what you're going to need to make this jerk chicken Rasta pasta. All right, guys?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, guys.
Let's go.
First things first, you're going to need some
salmon.
Guys, so we have washed and cleaned here about 1.5 pounds of salmon. We washed it with some lime. You're going to need some black pepper, some salt, some thyme, all-purpose seasoning, your good old homemade green seasoning, Trini style.
I'm going to put that recipe in the link. Check it out.
Yes. Some fresh garlic, guys. You have peppers, green, red, and yellow.
Ooh, multicultural.
Penne pasta. You have some heavy cream, guys. If you can't find heavy cream, you can use half and half. That's fine. We have some mixed blend cheese. I love cheese.
Yeah, that cheese got everything in there. They got like 5 different cheeses in there.
It does. I love it.
Not me.
Oh. Well, guys, you're gonna need some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning.
Yeah.
Hot and spicy, guys.
Well,
if you don't like it hot, you can always buy the mild one, guys.
That's true. And that Walker's Wood is our go-to jerk seasoning.
Yes, we prefer this brand.
Best.
Guys. And today we're gonna use
Sauce Doctor. Yeah, we just got this, guys. We just got the Sauce Doctor. Check them out on Instagram and YouTube. We're gonna try this Sauce Doctor out today on this recipe.
Yes. And last things last, guys, you're gonna need some oil, all right? And that's
guys, my lovely chefs and chefettes. First thing we're gonna do is season our salmon. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna add your 1 teaspoon of oil. Get that all in there. Half a teaspoon of your black pepper. We like everything spicy, so you know you need to add your black pepper. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. Just half a teaspoon, guys. You guys following me?
we are following you.
Half a teaspoon of salt. Make sure you cover everything. Half a teaspoon of that. You're gonna do half a teaspoon of thyme. Guys, get you the dried thyme leaves. I'm gonna do half a teaspoon of that. Don't mind me.
What do you mean? What are you doing over there?
You do splash?
Oh no.
Half a teaspoon of thyme. Guys, like we told you, our go-to jerk seasoning is Walker's Wood. It's really good.
The best.
It is one of the best, but stay tuned because we got a surprise. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of your Walker's Wood. Make sure you cover everything. Can y'all see me?
We can see you.
All right.
We can see that salmon too.
Here we have our browning. This is optional, but this is what gives your jerk meats a nice dark color. If you don't have browning, don't worry. You don't need it, but this browning gives it that dark color. Use this on your chicken, your salmon, your pork, whatever you're jerking. Get you that browning. This is by Grace. It's a Jamaican brand of browning. So here's the ingredients that you need to season your salmon. And next we're gonna just mix everything up, all right?
Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to make this jerk salmon, guys.
Yeah, buddy.
I already have some butter melting in this pan. It's already nice and hot. I took some salmon, I cut it up in some small pieces, and I have some big pieces. Small pieces, I'm saving it for the Rasta pasta that I'm gonna throw in later. And I'm gonna show you how to do that, all right? So watch me. See these little pieces?
We see it, Chef Sam.
Y'all hear that sizzling?
That thing hot.
It's hot.
Make sure your frying pan is hot.
Guys, and it's so simple. I'm gonna cook each side for about 5-7 minutes. Like, you know, cook each piece for 5 or 7 minutes, flipping it. Look at this.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, guys.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a banger.
Look at this. Look how beautiful that looks, guys.
It's just as beautiful as you, my love.
Oh, my honey bunny. You're the best. Guys, look at this. Come. I want you to look in this
We're
pot.
coming.
Look how delicious that looks.
So we're gonna cook that for 5 to 7 minutes on one side.
On both sides. So I'm gonna about 3 minutes. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna flip each one and I'm gonna cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes, guys, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So stay tuned.
All right, chefs and cheferettes. So for the next step, we added 1 teaspoon of oil to our pan. Then we sauteed our peppers and 3 minced garlics just for a few minutes. After we added our 1 cup of heavy cream, half a teaspoon of that green seasoning, a handful of cheese, and 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning. Wow, look at that.
Guys, it's been about 2 to 3 minutes and these peppers are sauteed and the sauce has thickened. You see how amazing it looks?
That looks good. It makes me want to curse.
Don't.
I curse if I want. You're not my mama.
We Christian.
I curse if I want.
I'll slap you like your mama.
Oh, that,
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the day.
I can smell the garlic and I can smell that sauce, doctor.
It's so good. Guys, now we're gonna take our penne pasta that we have. We're gonna throw this bad boy in there.
Can we put more sauce, doctor, in there?
We can if you
It
want
smells
to,
good.
absolutely.
No. Because then I'm going to run out. I'm going to have to hit up Adrian's Cooking and Food Review for more.
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. Guys, we're gonna put our pasta in there and mix this around.
It smells good.
I put a little bit at a time to mix it around, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. All right?
I'm going to zoom in real quick. That look good. Oh, Rasta pasta.
Oh, yeah, guys.
That should smell
Look
good.
how amazing.
Guys, make sure to like, comment, and
Yeah,
subscribe.
let's add a little bit more pasta.
Guys, the other day we made this Rasta pasta with oxtails. Bang it!
So good. If you guys want to know how to make that with oxtail, let us know. Comment below. We'll show you how to get down. We'll show you how to make that.
It's not too different either. It's almost the
It's
same.
not. Guys, and so remember earlier we showed you that we chopped up a couple of pieces of the jerk salmon and we cooked it aside. We have that right here.
We see it. We see it.
And we're gonna, this is why we did this, to save this for our Rasta pasta. And we're gonna take this bad boy right here.
Okay.
And we're gonna put that right in our pasta.
Okay.
With the sauce, with everything. Oh my God, yes.
Hurry up.
You hungry, ain't you?
I am. That smells so good. I need you to hurry up. I wish you could like snap your fingers and click your heels together and that be done. Okay, okay, Dorothy. Okay, Dorothy. There's
Yes.
no place like home.
Yes.
Oh.
Guys, and that's it. Look
You
how amazing.
be making them banging recipes.
Yes, and we mixed all this salmon, guys. Mix your stuff, and we're gonna plate this and show you what it looking like, guys. So stay tuned.